You know what? It's a secret. My husband is crazy about this place, so binigyan niya ako ng discount card. My treat.
Oh, if you insist.
Of course I do. Oh.
Ay.
Kahit saang lupalop ng mundo pa kayo mapunta, mahanap at mahanap niyo ang isa't isa.
Ma'am? Ma'am? Is everything all right?
Sorry. Pasensya ka na. Something just came to mind.
Okay.
Nagagandahan lang ako sa pendant mo.
Bigay ko sa akin ang nanay ko.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
Your mother must be really proud of you.
I wouldn't really know. Nagkahiwalay kasi kami nung bata pa lang ako. Nanay ko, pati nung kapatid kong lalaki. It's a long story, but... There.
What? That's so tragic. You know, if I may share something, madalas kasi naming napag-uusapan ni William ito. Sabi niya, it's not a clinically established condition, but there's such a thing as missing mother syndrome.
Missing mother syndrome? Well, this sounds very interesting. Ano po yun?
It's a condition ng isang tao na lumalaki o lumaki na hindi kasama yung nanay. Or kung kasama man, hindi rin naman emotionally available yung nanay. A person suffering from this syndrome can feel lost, unsafe, so out of place in this world. Growing up without the secure presence of a loving, nurturing, and supportive mother can be devastating. And William explained it further. Sabi niya, since the mother is the first and basic caretaker, losing her physically or emotionally can start a nightmare of deprivation in a child. And in a way, it never ends. This traumatic experience can be so deeply rooted that negative feelings and conditions can manifest themselves much later on in life.
Paano po na-overcome yung mga ganitong klaseng kondisyon?
Well, William is the doctor. So I suggest, bisitahin mo kami sa wellness center. Talk to my husband. He can help you. He has this program, some sort of mindful acupressure that can ease the pain of childhood abandonment, neglect, and and rejection. And it can release long-standing, haunting memories and feelings of anxiety, hurt, anger, and a lot of really, really strong emotions.
I guess I'll have to set an appointment with your husband soon. Sana maging available po siya.
Yes, do that. At pagkatapos ng session mo, magkwentuhan tayo ulit. Sana mahanap mo na yung mother mo at yung kapatid mo.
Sana ako. I've been practically looking for them all my life. Sinubukan ko na ako halos lahat. Nagpwera lang ng media, social media, radio, TV, print. Kasi ayoko ma-upset ang tatay ko. Well, that's a different story, but ayoko ang paniwalaan yung sinasabi ng private investigators na siyempre baka patay na dahil matagal na nga. Pero hindi pa rin ako nawawalan ng pag-asa eh. Because I know, for some reason, makikita ko pa rin siya.
Makikita mo rin sila. Ipagdadasal ko yan, Daniel. Just stay strong. Everything will be all right. Trust me. At sana, makita mo na rin si Margaret.